Now in the breathing space, always just first checking in. And checking in with what's happening right now. What's here? You can be very open. Being open to experience. It's like opening the door. Okay. Such thoughts, such feelings, such emotions, sensations, they are here. Almost I say, welcome. Welcome them all. However they are. Welcome them all as they are. And then we gather the awareness into breathing. This tide of rising, falling, natural rhythm. Like bathing in this river. Breathing in, breathing out. And then we expand the awareness to include the whole body, acknowledging how it is right now. And also checking, see what's happening in the mind, what's the feeling, how has it changed? And what's happening in the space. And when we're ready, we just allow the eyes to open. And then get on with what needs to be done.